All right, YouTube, here we go. We have an unboxing of the brand new Military Arms Corporation Mac 9. This one is for the DS series. The one I picked was 5-inch without the comp. So let's get into it and get rid of the box. Boom. They send this really nice case for you to travel in. Seems like be the new standard for these 2011 style pistols or double stack 1911s. Let's see what's in this side. All right, they do ship with additional trigger shoes. Extremely important because that's going to be a gripe for a lot of people when they first take it out of the box. They decided to partner with an agency, and these are AOS. They are kind of industry standard now, plate systems for the different ones. This one out of the box happens to be for RMRs, which is perfect because that is what is going on. It is an RMR. Nice little manual. Goes through a lot of the basics. So just so everybody knows, this is designed by Military Arms Corporation, but the actual manufacturer is TSAS out of Turkey. So we've got a cleaning kit. This is down in here. I feel like Santa Claus pulling out something new. Standard cable lock. Comes with two 17-round mags with TSAS stamped on them, and I believe that they're probably manufactured by Metgar or Checkmate style mags. So there, Military Arms Corporation. And for those that don't understand, underneath is where it says TSAS, made in Turkey. Really nice ambidextrous controls. The biggest complaint that most people have, like me when I first felt one, is they put a nice wide paddle on the shooter's right-hand side, but not on the left-hand side. So for some of you in competition, that's going to be a slight challenge. Really nice takedown lever and slide stop. Here's the other mag. And the biggest gripe that I've seen from a lot of people with the new Kimber 2311s has been the fact that they only take Atlas, Springfield, or Checkmate style mags, or the Kimber mags. They don't take what is kind of considered the industry standard, which is MBX. So here is an MBX mag. Stays in, locks. Of course, they won't have bolt holdback because my followers don't have those. This is their standard TSAS 17 round, and here is a Springfield Durmag. No problem. Old Atlas mag. I believe this one should lock back. Will it? Nope. So Atlas mag. And then the old standard Gen 2 STI. Locks in, no problem. So right now, out of the box, it is a long trigger shoe. So for me, that will be one of the first things that I change, and I go to a short trigger shoe. And it is a crisp 5.5 pound trigger brake. With a nice firm short reset, really nice. I have a feeling out of the box, it's probably oversprung. The grip has really good checkering on the front. It is a polymer grip. The sides are very much similar to a Staccato, where they're just there for looks. There is no grip here. And it does have a functioning grip safety. Overall, I gotta tell you, I mean, I'm really impressed with the build quality out of the box. You know, some of the features that you're looking for, somebody that might potentially be considering the Kimber 23K, if you can find one, you know, this is a legitimate competitor. We're gonna go ahead and remove this. There we go, get that out of the way. So we're gonna be going out to the range soon. There might be some things that we might be changing out on this. One of the things that you see a lot of people do on the Prodigies is switch out the fire control kit. EGW makes a really nice where it's a new sear, a new hammer, a new strut, and then a new mainspring, that those might be getting swapped out potentially after we take it to the range for the first shots. But just thought I'd share with you. The other really nice thing is like they've even scalloped the safeties for, you know, a really low MSRP gun considering the market. It's right in there with the Prodigy and the likes. You know, you can see, barely see some, nope, that's just oil from the manufacturing process. But slide, it has a standard 1911 or 2011 style bull barrel where you're going to use, you know, putting in a paper clip or a plug to be able to tear it down. So it's not a toolless guide rod by any means, but it does come with a really nice rail for running lights or anything along those lines. It's a rounded top. It has a really, really nice tall front sight. It is dovetailed in, and it should co-witness with the, or at least a lower third co-witness with the plate with the rear sight. So the optic will sit in and still allow you to see over the optic, which should be a nice touch for those of them that use it. For me, this is primarily going to be used as a more than likely like a competition or a range toy. So it's I think going to live up to the hype for what I'm looking for. Also comes with a smaller mag well. If you do decide to delete the mag well, it does come with a pin, so that way you can put it through the main housing, mainspring in the back, and it won't be sticking out any further. So, all right, let me know what you think in the comments, and then we'll have a range day coming up soon. See, just really wish that paddle was a little bit bigger like this side. And for comparison, here is my tried and true custom 2011, but do you see how much wider the safety is in comparison? So that's what we're looking at potentially to change, just from your personal choice and comfort level, but give you something to think about. Thanks and enjoy.